Today we're going to be graphing quadratic equations with tables in standard form. So the first equation is y equals x squared plus 8x plus 16. And the equation to get x is negative b over 2a. So it would be negative 8 over 2 times 1. And that's negative 8 over 2, which is negative 4. And so once you get negative 4, you substitute that for x into the equation. So that would be negative 4 squared plus 8 times negative 4 plus 16. And so that would be 16 minus 32 plus 16. And that equals 0. And negative 4, 0 are going to be x, the center point for x and y on the graph. I mean the table. And to find the rest of the y values, you substitute 2 of the points in for x. So we're going to do negative 3, negative 2. So negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 16. And so that's 4 minus 16 plus 16, which is 4. So for negative 2 and negative 6, the y values are going to be 4. And then we're going to use negative 3. So negative 3 squared plus 8 times negative 3 plus 16. And that equals 9 minus 24 plus 16 equals 1. And so for negative 3 and negative 5, the y values are going to be 1. So next we're going to do the graph. And so you see him writing now. Those are going to go 1 through 6, I'm sorry. And then at the bottom is going to be negative 1 through negative 6. And so we're going to plot the first point, which is the center point, which is negative 4, 0. And then negative 3, 1. Negative 2, 4. Negative 5, 1. Negative 6, 4. And after that, we'll connect the dots. And that's the first equation. So the next one is y equals x squared plus 10x plus 15. So just like the first one, we're going to find the equation to get x. So it would be negative b over 2a, which is negative 10 over 2 times 1. And that would be negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. And so negative 5 and yeah, you substitute negative 5 into the equation. And so you get 25 minus 50 plus 15 equals negative 10. Negative 10. And so the x and y values for the center point are negative 5 and negative 10. And so to get the y values, we're going to use 2 points. So the first one we're going to do is negative 4 squared plus 10 times negative 4 plus 15. And that equals 16 minus 40 plus 15. And that's a negative 9. And so the next point we're going to substitute for is negative 3. So we're going to do negative 3 squared plus 10 times negative 3 plus 15. So that equals 9 minus 30 plus 15 equals negative 6. And so for negative 4 and negative 6, the values are negative 9. In negative 3 and negative 7, the values are negative 6. So after that, we're going to do the graph. And we're going to go from negative 1 to negative 10. And then we're going to do negative 1 to negative 7. Or negative 10. So the first point we're going to do negative 5, negative 10. Then we're going to do negative 4, negative 9. And then we're going to do negative 3, negative 6. And then we're going to do negative 6, negative 9. And then negative 7, negative 6. And now we're going to connect the dots. And that's it. The next equation is y equals negative x squared plus 12. So we're gonna substitute 0. Negative 0 squared plus 12x equals 12. Then we're going to do, that's negative 1
Hey, the part where it has like...
That's not it.
The part where it has like...
Sorry, that's not it.
And then we're going to do negative 1
The part where in Alex's part, where like the end part
squared plus 13
more than 30 seconds, like edit some of that out and then...
plus 12, I'm sorry. And then we're going to do negative 1 plus 12 equals 11.
Alex is doing this.
So after that, the values we're going to use for x and y in the center point are 0, 12, and so we're going to substitute one of the problems to get the y value. So we're going to do negative 2 squared plus 13, plus 12 equals negative 4 plus 12 equals 8. So that's going to be, that's how we got there.
Squared plus 11.
And the graph for number 3 is,
Find out what multiplies.
we're going to start at 0, 12, and then the next point is going to be 111, then 2, 8, then negative 111, and then negative 2, 8. Then we're connect them, and that's the third one. And for our last problem, the equation is y equals negative x squared plus 10. And so, since we already know the b value is 0, we're going to find the y value. So it's negative 0 squared
Next problem I'll be showing you is squared
plus 10 equals 10.
plus 9x.
So that's going to be the y value.
What happened? You have to find a whole
And then we're going to substitute them. So negative 1 and 1 will be 9. And we're going to do negative 2. And negative 2 and 2 are going to be 6. So next we're going to do the equation. The graph. And so we're going to go from 0 to 10.
Because the drum line was going to play, and then they tell us we have to pay.
And at the bottom we're going to do 1 and 2 and then negative 1 and negative 2. So the first point is 0, 10. The second point is 1, 9. The third point is 2, 6. The next point is negative 1, 9. And the last point is negative 2, 6. So we're going to connect them. And that's the last equation. So, okay, yeah.